Welcome to English Unplugged. I'm Emily, your friend for learning English.
And I'm Paul. We're so excited you're here to practice English with us today.
This episode is called Practice English with Friends, and we're talking about your daily routine. Things like waking up, eating breakfast, or going to work or school.
Yeah, it's super fun to share what you do every day. We'll teach you simple phrases to talk about your morning in English.
Don't worry if English feels new or a little hard. We're here to make it easy, fun, and friendly, like chatting with a friend.
Totally. We're going to learn step by step, and you'll feel more confident by the end. If you love this podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us keep making episodes for you.
Okay, Paul, let's get started. What's the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning?
Great question, Emily. I wake up, stretch a little, and drink a glass of water.
Nice! That sounds refreshing. Let's dive in and learn how to talk about our daily routines in English.
All right, let's start with our first phrase, I wake up. This is a great way to talk about the start of your day.
Yes, I wake up means you open your eyes in the morning after sleeping. For example, I say, I wake up at 7 a.m.
Good example. I say, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. because I like to start early. Let's practice this phrase together. Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up. Okay, listeners, it's your turn. Say it out loud. I wake up.
Awesome job, everyone. Now, let's add the time, like Emily and I did. Emily, you said 7 a.m. I'll say it again. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, Paul, you're such an early bird. Listeners, try it now. Say, I wake up at and add your own time. For example, I wake up at 8 a.m. Your turn.
Great work. Let's practice the phrase one more time to make it really stick. Repeat. I wake up.
I wake up. Come on, listeners, say it with us. I wake up.
You're doing so well. Let's try it with your time again. For example, I wake up at 7:30 a.m. Your turn.
Perfect! You're already sounding more confident. Okay, let's move to our next phrase. I get out of bed.
Nice one. I get out of bed means you leave your bed after waking up. For example, I say, I get out of bed at 6:35 a.m.
I'm a little slower in the morning. I say, I get out of bed at 7:05 a.m. Let's practice this phrase. Repeat after Paul. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed. Listeners, say it loud and clear. I get out of bed.
Good job. Now let's add a time, like we did before. Paul, you said 6:35 a.m. I'll say, I get out of bed at 7:05 a.m.
Listeners, try it now. Say, I get out of bed at, and add your time. For example, I get out of bed at 8 a.m.
You're improving so fast. Let's repeat the phrase one more time. I get out of bed.
I get out of bed. Come on, everyone, say it. I get out of bed.
Awesome! Let's try it with your time again. For example, I get out of bed at 7:15 a.m. Your turn.
Great work, everyone. Okay, Emily, what's our next phrase?
I love this one. I eat breakfast. This is when you eat your first meal of the day.
Oh, breakfast is my favorite. I say, I eat breakfast at 7 a.m.
Great choice. I go to work means you leave your house for your job or school. I say, I go to work at 8:30 a.m.
I say, I go to work at 8 a.m. Let's practice. I go to work.
I go to work. Listeners, say it with us. I go to work.
Nice. Now add your time. For example, I go to work at 9 a.m. Your turn.
Good job. Let's repeat. I go to work.
I go to work.
Come on, everyone. I go to work. Let's review all the phrases one more time to make sure they stick. Paul, start with the first one.
Okay. I wake up.
I wake up. Listeners, say it. I wake up.
Next, I get out of bed.
I get out of bed. Your turn, everyone. I get out of bed.
Then, I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast. Say it loud. I eat breakfast.
And finally, I go to work.
I go to work. Come on, listeners. I go to work.
You're doing so well. Let's try a quick challenge. Make a sentence with each phrase. Pause the podcast and try it now.
For example, here's mine. I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed at 7:05 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. My quick breakfast is a banana. I go to work at 8:30 a.m.
Nice, Emily. Mine is I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I get out of bed at 6:35 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. My quick breakfast is cereal. I go to work at 8 a.m.
Listeners, try it. Say your routine out loud. You've got this.
Great job, everyone. If you're feeling shy, that's okay. Keep practicing and you'll get more confident every day.
Totally. Every time you say these phrases, you're improving your English. You're already doing so well.
Let's do one more fun practice. Imagine you're telling a friend about your morning. Use all four phrases. Emily, go first.
Okay. Every morning, I wake up at 7 a.m. I get out of bed at 7:05 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. My quick breakfast is a banana. Then I go to work at 8:30 a.m.
Awesome. My turn. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I get out of bed at 6:35 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. My quick breakfast is cereal. I go to work at 8 a.m.
That's great, Paul. Listeners, try it. Pause and say your routine. You're doing amazing.
You're learning so fast. These phrases are super useful for real-life conversations.
Yeah, you can use them to talk to friends, coworkers, or even your English teacher.
And the more you practice, the easier it gets. You're building great habits.
Let's do one final practice. Let's say all four phrases together, one after another. Paul, you start.
Okay. I wake up. I get out of bed. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
My turn. I wake up. I get out of bed. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
Listeners, your turn. Say all four. I wake up. I get out of bed. I eat breakfast. I go to work.
You're incredible. You've learned so much today.
Yeah, you're ready to talk about your morning in English. We're so proud of you.
Okay, let's wrap up today's episode of English Unplugged. We learned four key phrases. I wake up, I get out of bed, I eat breakfast, and I go to work.
We also practice adding times and examples, like my quick breakfast is cereal, or I go to work at 8 a.m.
You're improving so much already. Keep using these phrases every day to talk about your routine.
Yeah, practice with a friend, a family member, or even by yourself. It's fun and helps you learn faster.
Now, here's our fun community question. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Great question. For me, it's drinking a glass of water to start the day. Emily, what's yours?
I check my phone to see if I have any messages. What about you, listeners? Tell us in the comments.
We love hearing from you. It makes us feel like we're all friends learning English together.
Thanks for joining us on English Unplugged. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. You're doing awesome.
Bye.